Hey everybody, welcome in today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very specific trading strategy which you can use when you are trading Bitcoin with or without leverage using these Fibonacci levels. And guys, this video can be a great example behind the thought process of opening a certain trade. Why you should open a certain trade, is it worth it to open that certain trade, and what do you actually want to accomplish? What is the main reason that you are actually opening this trade? And yeah, in today's video, we are going to have a look at a very specific strategy which you can use for your trading. So guys, let's jump straight into this video. Before we are jumping into this specific strategy, guys, let's, with every single one of us, take 1 single minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be amazing. And guys, in today's video, I will show you as well a live trade that I'm doing right now, which is right now approximately $4,000 to $5,000 into profit. And I'm going to show you exactly why I took this live trade, at which specific level, and what I'm trying to get out of this. So guys, let's dive into the Bitcoin price action right now. And yeah, the price action of Bitcoin is actually quite interesting because we are seeing bullish price action, but the trade that I have opened right now is actually a short position. And guys, the reason that I've opened that specific short position is due to a couple of reasons. And the first reason I want to mention right here is that the price action of Bitcoin right now just looks like a topping pattern. So there is a small probability that Bitcoin right here is forming a topping pattern. And guys, I say a small probability, so there is a higher probability that Bitcoin is looking bullish and is going to continue this uptrend due to a lot of factors, right? Trading above the 20 daily moving average and so on. But if we just look at the pattern of Bitcoin, then we could be forming a topping pattern as well. And yeah, we can see it right here. We have a accelerated uptrend. We'll be coming down to the 20 daily moving average. We are seeing a bounce off from it, coming back down, breaking below this level and so on, double bottom formation. This price action we have seen quite often before, right here in 2000, or let me get rid of the drawings, right here in 2019 we have seen it. The price action looks very similar to the price action we are seeing right now. That would mean that if this would be similar price action, that we would be approximately right here within this pattern. So again, close to a top if this were to play out. If we scroll back to the year of 2017 right here, when we topped out, this pattern is looking actually quite similar as well, right? We have an accelerated uptrend. Finally, we break below the 20 daily moving average, retested as resistance, double bottom formation. We break back above this level, and eventually from this level we're reversing into a downtrend. So that is a potential risk that I'm seeing right now, guys. The other reason why I think that this is as well a risk is due to the Dixie chart. The US dollar index right now is showing some form of a reversal pattern as well, which could indicate that we are seeing a reversal in the price of Bitcoin as well, because there is a inverse correlation between the US dollar index and Bitcoin. I'm not going to go in too much detail into this inverse correlation. I'm just explaining right here, guys, the reason why I believe that there is a small chance right here that we are forming a topping pattern, because that is very important for the thought behind this trade. Because as you guys know, I'm long on Bitcoin. The majority of my position right now is in Bitcoin. The majority of my exposure right now is in Bitcoin, which would mean that if this eventually would be a topping pattern, I would actually risk quite a lot, because the majority of my portfolio is in Bitcoin. So that is the exact reason of this trade. I want to hedge against another scenario, hedge against the scenario that we might be seeing lower levels right here, and that we might be forming a topping formation, even though it is a small chance. So guys, what I've did right here is actually quite interesting, and you could also do this if you don't want to hedge, but if you just want to open a trade. However, guys, if you are hedging, it makes more sense because you are taking less risk, right? Because if you have the majority of your portfolio in Bitcoin, and we will see a continuation of this uptrend, then yeah, your portfolio is growing, right? So if you are hedging, it makes more sense when you have the majority of your portfolio already in Bitcoin. That is a extra reason to apply such a trading strategy right here. But one thing we can do, guys, is let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you what is important right here, and that is the Fibonacci levels. And I'm going to draw the Fibonacci level right here from the top till the bottom of this formation, and then we can see that we are seeing a lot of resistance at the 78.60% right here. Guys, right here we can see the blue line is the 78.60%. Below here we have the the golden ratio, of course, the 61.80%. But as you can see right here in the past, we have been getting a lot of resistance from the 78.60%. We touched it right here. We saw a huge dump. Bitcoin dumped approximately from the touch of the 78.60%. We dumped approximately 16%, which is actually quite something. Right now, when we have a look at the price action of Bitcoin, we have seen a reversal pattern, right? We got a inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, which is a reversal pattern. Left shoulder right here, head in the middle, right shoulder right there. We broke out to the upside. Then we saw a nice rally in the price of Bitcoin. We broke above the golden ratio right here without backtesting this level, guys. And this is very important for this strategy as well. We broke above this level without backtesting. And we just saw a continuation of this rally to the 78.60%. That is the exact reason, guys, why I think there is a very high probability that we are going to see a lot of resistance at this exact level. So what I've did right here is I've opened a short position the exact moment Bitcoin is touching this level. And guys, when we have a look at my trade on the Prime XBT platform, then we can see that I've entered a short position right here at the exact level of the Fibonacci, the 78.60%, at the level of 38,550 approximately, because there's just a high probability that we are going to see a sell-off. We are going to see some selling pressure, some resistance from this level, even though if Bitcoin continues to look bullish. So even though if Bitcoin wants to continue this uptrend, it does make sense to first see a sell-off from this level before we actually were to break that level. So guys, even in both scenarios, it would just make more sense for Bitcoin to experience selling pressure right here, even though if Bitcoin were to look bullish, even though if Bitcoin were to look bearish. And that is the exact reason, guys, for me opening this trade, because the majority of my portfolio right now is in Bitcoin. So if we were to be forming a top right here, I want to hedge my position and I want to open a short position right here. And guys, another reason why I have been choosing the 78.60% is if we were to go to the daily time frame and we are going to have a look at the topping formations we have seen in 2019 and in 2020, and I'm going to apply the Fibonacci levels right here as well from the top till the bottom. Then you can see that the second bounce right here, where we could be in right now, the second bounce is not coming above the 78.60 Fibonacci level. And guys, if we go back to the year 2017, when Bitcoin topped out at approximately $20,000, we measure from the top till the bottom, then we also see that the price is getting rejected at the 78.60% and is not trading above this level. So this is showing a lot of significance in this level and is showing us that, yeah, we still could be seeing a topping formation right now on the Bitcoin chart, even though it is the less likely scenario. But this could be, yeah, one of the examples to prepare for such a scenario. So guys, what am I doing right now? Well, I can do actually multiple things. Right now, I can just leave this trade open. If Bitcoin is going to cross the 78.60% right here, then like slightly above it, of course, and that is the moment I'm going to be stopped out of my trade. And that is as well the moment that the chances are even more decreasing that we are actually forming a topping formation. However, guys, if Bitcoin is going to show weakness right here in the near future, then of course I'm going to leave this trade open, because if we were to see a topping formation and Bitcoin is going to see lower levels, then yeah, we have of course a perfect entry right here exactly at the top at the 78.60%. Another thing what I could do, guys, is I could set a stop loss right here, for example, that when the price of Bitcoin were to come up, I will get stopped out still with profit. And yeah, that is also a possibility, of course. And if the price of Bitcoin is continuing to drop, I will still have my trade open, of course. That is the more safer way to trade this, just to open a short position at a very important resistance level. When the price is coming down, you can check how the price is actually reacting, and you can already move your stop loss below it, so that you are ensured that you are being stopped out in profit and that you are not losing anything on your trade. So guys, this is a strategy that you could apply just to trade Bitcoin with leverage or without leverage, but this is also a strategy you can apply to protect yourself from different scenarios. But guys, that really depends on your risk management, and I have another example where this trade was actually very profitable for me and for you guys right here on the channel, and that was when we were trading Ethereum in the US dollar comparative. So let's go to Ethereum in the US dollar comparative. Let's take another chart right here. So let's get rid of the drawings, let's get rid of the moving average, and let's zoom out, go to the daily time frame. So guys, what I did is I've calculated the Fibonacci retracement tool right here from the top of the Ethereum price right here in 2018 down till the bottom right here, and then you can see that exactly at the 61.80% we were seeing this rejection, we were seeing this resistance in the price of Ethereum. And of course we have been calculating this level already beforehand, which was at approximately $480, but we also have seen confluence with this level in the past. So right here we have seen that this level has been acting as resistance, afterward it has been acting as support. Here we have seen a reaction with this level. Here we have as well seen the price dancing around this level of the 61.80%, the golden ratio Fibonacci level, which actually is the most important Fibonacci level out there. But yeah guys, this was actually a moment that I've opened a short position on Ethereum and that I've hedged my Ethereum into US dollars the moment we reached this level, and we have seen a huge drop afterwards. And I imagine I have increased my Ethereum holdings, guys, with 30% right here. We can see that the drop was approximately 34%, but I remembered in my trade I've increased my Ethereum holdings with 30%. So that is actually very remarkable. And guys, this is of course really trading Ethereum in the shorter term time frame, because even though if you would have been buying Ethereum right here at these levels, if you would have been waiting a couple of months, then yeah, you would be in profit as well. But guys, these are just opportunities that we are seeing not that often in the markets, but when these opportunities do occur, we want to make sure that we are taking advantage of them. So guys, right now I'm leaving this trade open on the Prime XBT platform to hedge for my bigger position in Bitcoin, of course. And guys, I've opened this trade with a deposit bonus as well. So right now, when you sign up on the Prime XBT platform using my affiliate link down below, you will get an additional deposit bonus of 50%, which you can use for your trading. And next to that 50% deposit bonus, you can get as well a 25% discount on your trading fees. So for all the traders out there who are interested in trading over on the Prime XBT platform, you can find my affiliate link down below in the pinned comment. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope today's video is providing you some better insights in certain trading strategies. If you really want to get a better understanding of these cryptocurrency markets and you want to develop your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy, guys, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course at theblockchaintoday.com. And in my cryptocurrency trading course, guys, I will teach you every single thing you need to know about these cryptocurrency markets in order for you to become a profitable crypto trader. So for every single one of you who want to take the next step in their crypto journey, go to theblockchaintoday.com and enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course. But okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's different type of video. If so, don't forget to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is highly appreciated. Then for every one of you who hasn't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.